All right, so can you see my visual on my screen right now? Yeah, great, thank you. Okay, so here's the tone set that we've been working on. Do, re, mi, so, do. Breathe. Do, re, mi, so, do. Great. And just as a review, we know that do, re, mi is stepwise, and then the mi, so is a skip of a third up, and then so back down to do is the fifth down as a review. Okay, the next visual I have for you is also a review. We've been using that tone set with some simple rhythms. So in this rhythmic example, there are 3 beats in the measure, and we have so, mi, re, do. That's how it would start. Okay, you start singing it now from the beginning and take it through to the end. Hum your first note for me. So, 1, 2, 3. So, mi, re, re, do, re, mi, so, mi, do. Good. Any questions or problems with that review step? Okay, we're going to scroll down to the next screen here that I've got for you. And now we're putting the do, re, mi, so on the staff. We've already had a lesson on that, so this is just review. For this particular set of exercises, do lives under the staff on the note D, but that's not important right now. It's just where it lives on the staff here. Is it a line or a space? It's a space. So this is our do. Which of these pitches is actually the do? Is it this one? Nope. Nope. Yes. Right here. So here's a do, and then we go up a step, which would be a re, and then back down to do. Now, if we were to read this little exercise backwards, then we have our do, re, do, and up to what? Show me with your hand sign. Good, sing it. Mi, and then up to another, jumping up another third. So, good. Now read it in the correct order here from left to right. So, mi, do, re, do. That's right. So these are the pitches on the staff that we will use today in our sight reading. All right, and here is our sight reading example. We are now looking at number 60. Okay, by the way, so this is from Masterworks Press. I used their sight reading materials frequently when I was teaching high school choir. I mean, all the time, frequently. And I've got a sample here for us to look at. And as a reminder, if you were to use these materials for your own teaching, you would buy the published materials from Masterworks Press, and they're easy to find on the internet. Okay, but anyway, back to back to number 60 here. So let's first just collect what pitches and the solfege assigned to those pitches do we see when we look through here. Where is this start on do? Does this start on do? This do that I showed you, where can you find, let's look at the end. Does it end on do? Or the do that we've just practiced anyway, the do, the D under the staff. Yes. So here's the do, and step up, re, and there's another re, and then here, mi, and then we jump up to so. Now look at the beginning. Is that the same note? Yeah, so we can collect now. We have a so, and a mi, just speak it. Another so and another mi. Yeah, go ahead. You can mouth the words or you can use your hand signs. Then we step down to re, and then we step down to do, re, mi. Look ahead, another so, another mi. That's like that measure, isn't it? We have another so and another mi. That's like that measure. We go back up to so, come down to mi, and then step down re, re, do, just like that. Okay, any questions so far about how we got those, the solfege names with those pitches on the staff? Okay, then let's speak those solfege syllables in rhythm. Okay, so now you're concentrating on 2 things at once. This rhythm is very similar to the rhythm that we practiced earlier today, so hopefully you'll be able to put those things together. Just speaking 1, 2, 3. Sol, mi. Sol, mi. Re, do, re, mi. Sol, mi. Sol, mi. Sol, mi. Re, re, do. All right. From what I could see, it looked like everybody was speaking the solfege syllables in rhythm there. Okay, so that prepares us for this next step. But to make sure that we're really ready for it, let's just collect all the sounds again. So we've collected what we see with our eyes and the label. Now let's collect the sounds that are associated with those syllables. So tell me again, we start on a, oops, I'm sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. Here we go. We start on a, so, okay, so let's just collect these without rhythm. I'll move my hand and we just go on to the next pitch. We have a so, next pitch is mi, next pitch is so, next pitch, mi, next pitch, re, next, do, next, re, mi, next, so, next, mi, next, so, mi, so, mi, re, re, do. Okay, so we just collected the pitches. Those were the sounds. Now we put the rhythm and the sounds together. As we put the rhythm and sounds together, you're going to sing it inside your head. I will sing out loud every once in a while to see if we match. So when you hear my voice, see if it's the same sound that's inside your head. Okay, let's get started together. 1, 2, breathe. So, re, so, so, mi. What's your last note? Sing it. Do. Did we match? Did we match at the end? Did we match previously when I came in? Okay, that's a good sign. Now you're going to sing it, but this time you sing it out loud. 1, 2, go. So, mi, re, do, re, mi. So, mi, 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 re, do. Good. All right. So there is a sample process of getting through several review steps in order to try to make something successful for your students. Now I'm just going to do a little extension here and put a kind of a practice game on top of that and show you how we can alternate. I'm going to need one student to unmute. I've volunteered Ellie. I just caught you out of the corner of my eye there. I'm going to sing one measure, Ellie. You're going to sing the next measure. And then I'm going to sing the next measure and you're going to sing the next. So we're going to trade. And I know that we might be a little bit delayed because of Zoom, but that's okay. We'll just keep going. So I'll start. So, mi, so, mi, re, do, re, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi, re, do. Yeah, that's the idea. And so then we could like then switch where the class would start first and then the teacher would come in on the second bar, or you could divide that up between sections and have all of part 1 come in first and then part 2 come in second and reverse that. There's a lot of ways to do that alternating game to help reinforce those audiation activities. All right, guys. All right, I'm going to stop Sharing the screen here.